Hello everyone, all my students and their parents. I welcome you all to the Standard 9th online orientation session for the year 2020-21. I am Professor Siddique Shaikh, Managing Partner at Central Classes. I am your mentor for this year. The lockdown has been lifted by the government but not for educational institutions. So, our classroom lectures will remain suspended until further notification from the government. We will be coaching by providing recorded online lectures through our own mobile application. We are already coaching 300 plus students successfully through the same medium. Before we start online coaching, you need to be added to our WhatsApp group. If you are not added to our WhatsApp group, you can contact your assistant teacher, Miss Vani Jayaram, on this number. You will be provided online registration form in your WhatsApp group. You need to fill this form to get access to our mobile application. Recorded video lectures, notes, assignments, and online tests will be provided to you through this application. Students need to complete their classwork and homework notebooks as per the schedule provided in their WhatsApp group. Assistant teacher Miss Vani Jayaram will be video calling the students for take-ups and notebook checking. A warning to all students. If a student does not complete the task assigned to him or her, he or she will be removed from the application and will not be added back. Study material will be distributed on 25th of June. Till then, we will provide online study material on our application. The list of study material will be uploaded in your WhatsApp group. If you have any queries, you can contact Vani ma'am or you can contact me. My number will be provided to you in your WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much for attending this online orientation. I hope you people have understood all the points discussed in this orientation.